So these are the chairs. They're just like a flat back white. Are they leather?
Yeah, should be leather.
We looked at some cloth ones, but I think these are leather, and they have like the black iron legs. Oh yeah, right here. Black finish, white side chair with metal legs. So 2 came in an order, so we got 3, so we'd have 6. And how much were they? They ended up being like $30 each. So we spent like $180 for 6 chairs. Is that right? I feel like we spent more, maybe.
I think we spent more.
I don't know. I'll find out and put it in the thing.
It was more than the table altogether.
Really? And our table was $200. I'm excited to see how they look. I think they're gonna go great. The only things I hope that the white doesn't like clash with that, because we didn't want the rug to be gray, but we wanted it to have a little bit more like cream, and now I'm looking at it and it actually looks gray. I don't know, against the table it might look better, but we wanted it to be a little bit warmer. The rug in here, excuse all of his work from home cords. It's kind of the same shade, but it has a little bit of a pattern. We wanted it really flat like this. We didn't really want like shag, so see, now it looks kind of cream. But yeah, now we're gonna see how the chairs are. Okay, the first set. Hopefully they're not too hard to put together. Oh yeah, they look nice. They're kind of cream, which I guess is good. I feel like we're trying to figure that out on the website. It was kind of hard to tell the exact color. Yeah, they're definitely cream because I'm looking at next to your shirt. But that's not bad. Feels nice.
And that's white leather.
Yeah, I guess. Leather can't be like... Well, I guess it could.
Not really.
It doesn't look bad, though. Oh, it's kind of heavy. I think it'll go. I mean, it matches the wall. Those are the placemats, by the way. We're going to see if they fit because they're kind of long and we don't have that much table space. So we're going to have to mess around with that. But yeah, it looks really nice. Good quality. That's the seat part, right? And then that's... Wait, is that the back?
No.
Oh, that's the other seat. I was just going to say they look the same size. We have... Those are the backs. Okay, so the legs, they're already attached. Can't believe we finally gonna have chairs.
I know.
We've been eating on the couch for like months. I don't know how to put this together, do you?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, so should we just do like one? No, we'll just do like a time lapse and show us putting all of them together.
There's marks on it.
Where? Is it bad?
Kinda.
Let me see. I don't know. It's not that bad. Can you clean it? It's leather.
I don't know.
I don't care. I don't want to wait for you once.
Oh, of course not.
They're fine.
It is what it is.
I'm sure you can get it off. That's what happens when you get things shipped.
Yep.
I think we can try and clean it. They look good. We still have to put, this isn't like actually on there, I just set it on there to show, but we just put together basically the first set, and I don't think we're gonna record all of them because it's done. But this is what they look like. We've run into a slight problem. This one's really wobbly for some reason. It said we have to like put pressure on the top and then tighten them, and we tried that and it didn't really help. So now he's just trying to push on his foot. Yeah, I don't know. It's like the metal is shorter or something. That one's not wobbly at all. Oh. Maybe it's this needs to be tightened.
No.
I don't know what to do. It told us what to do specifically in the instructions, like if it's wobbly. Like I guess they predicted this is gonna happen, but it didn't work. Oh my gosh, wait, it looks so good. It looks even better on camera. Oh, I feel like the rug is gonna ruin it, low-key. It looks so sleek right now. The chairs are a success. We got them to be tight. I'm kind of out of breath because I've been jumping and dancing around doing TikTok dances, but I think they look great. They're so sleek and modern, and they tie into the rest of the stuff we have over there. We're gonna put the rug down. I think it's gonna ruin it, but we'll see. I think it just looks too basic. We need something like fancy, like with like that subtle kind of like marbly, not marble, but like it has like a splattery like mosaic watercolor looking thing. But I want it all like to blend in the colors. I guess should we open these and see if they fit? There's no way all 6 of them are gonna fit. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that looks really bad. They're like overlapping, it doesn't look good. But I really don't think that like smaller placemats exist. I don't know. Okay, we took the 2 away and it kind of looks better. I just feel like I don't like the placemats at all. Like I'd rather just take them out when we eat. But I don't know. I need to look on Pinterest. Like, do people really do that? Like, do they leave their placemats out all the time? Because I don't think so. But do you like the placemats themselves? Yeah, me too. I'll just do with the rug though. I don't know. It just makes it look like busy and it takes away from the table. Unless there's like more solid placemats than that, but I don't think so. This is like the most neutral I could get. Okay, we decided we're gonna keep the placemats off until like we eat, and we'll just put them out. Cause it just looks so much nicer with them off. I'm gonna get some kind of like bowl or like decorative piece to put in the middle. That's just what we had for now. And we're gonna get a light fixture to go above there, and now we're gonna see how the rug looks. Okay, so the rug is placed and I think we like it. I think I like how it's like plain. Because if we had one that had, because basically like the pattern I like on the rugs like looks like this. Like it's that kind of like splotchy looking pattern. And so if we put it on both, I feel like they would clash, right? So I think I like the plain and I think it's a good color. This edge looks really weird. So I don't know if it's like dirty. I got it at Ross and it was 25 bucks. So it's probably why. We might just flip it to the other side because I don't think this side doesn't look very bad, so let's just flip it. But yeah, I think we're gonna keep it. 25 buck rug. 25 bucks rug. And the chairs look great. I think they look really expensive and we didn't spend much money. I think for this whole dining set, we spent, what, $400? So that's not bad for 6 dining chairs and table. So I'm excited. What's annoying is the light fixture is not centered with the table. I guess it's centered with the bar. We've been trying to figure out what it's centered with. Because she had like a square table, the girl that lived here before, so it was like underneath here and her couch went back further. Yeah, so she had her table like ended here and it was centered with the light, but
is the light centered with the bar?
I think it is actually. It's definitely centered with the bar.
Yeah, wow.
But we wanted a longer table, so we're gonna have to gather it at the top. I might have said this in the other video, but we're gonna look for light fixtures next. But this one's not bad for now. And then we put that one up in the last video over here by the entryway. I kind of wish that the chairs were like a pure white because it would tie more into like the TV stand, but it's really not bad. I think it all kind of goes together. And I feel like the rug, do you think the rug is too tan? Like, do you think we should have got more of the gray in the table? Yeah, I feel like we needed some more like warmth because we were worried that this table was too gray, but I feel like the cream colors bring it in nicely. Let me see with this light off. See, even with that different light, it looks more white. This light fixture is just really warm, so it makes it look kind of cream. Maybe one day we'll switch out the pictures in this. This is what came in it and we never changed them. Maybe I can do like some of my own pictures, like my photography or pictures of us. I don't know, I feel like it'll be weird. He's putting on, what are they called? The little rubber stopper thingy. So, because they all fit on the rug, but whenever the like people on the ends go to pull their chair out, it's gonna be on the floor. It turned out great though. I love the iron on the table matches the iron on the chairs. So it looks like it like goes together. Yeah, this totally looks like we could have bought it together. Let me see if I can zoom out and do like the wide angle. Oh yeah, that gives a lot better view of it. I really like the rug, I can't believe it. I thought it was just gonna look like straight up carpet, but we wanted something plain, so it works. And we're gonna just keep the placemats off, like I said. I think that's it. I thought we had something else that we were gonna do in this video, but I think we did it all. Good job. Another project done. That means the living room is done. Living room, kitchen. We basically had just this. The couch, sorry, it's super messy, all the pillows, blankets and stuff. And the ottoman was the first thing I think we added, and then we got like the little side table and this. Now we can entertain. Yeah, hopefully we can have some people come over soon. We can cook dinner and stuff. And I just love the floor plan. Like, it's so nice that we can like be in the kitchen and like see everything. Like, you can entertain like really well, I think, in this house, even though it's like smaller. It's just a townhouse, but you can kind of see everything, which is great. We've never burned that. It smells like lemon. Aw, it's like totally coming together. I love looking at it from this view. Again, ignore the mess, but yeah, I don't like that.
In love.
It has like one of those little tacky little things.
So cute.
I think like everything is tacky though. I have like strong opinions about things, but No offense if you have that candle and I just said it was tacky.
We have that candle.
I know, but I didn't realize the top. I mean, like, maybe I did, but we got this a long time ago. It used to be in the bathroom, and it was up on that shelf, so you couldn't even see the top. But yeah, we'll replace that and get, like, a bowl to put there. I really wish we could put some kind of, like, shelf, like a shelving, like a really thin, like, cabinetry shelf thing on that wall. But this, hallway is so small. Oh, ignore this candle, because I had the phone set up on that for the time lapse. But it's just so thin having to walk through. It would literally have to be, like, this big, and I feel like it would still cut off. So well, that was the end of this house update. We've been doing a lot, like, back to back, but now I feel like we're not going to do one for a while because the next thing we do is upstairs, and we're not really concerned about that right now. Well, actually, we might do the bathroom down here, the little half bath. We want to put, like, a vanity.
Well, we might start the kitchen.
The only thing that really needs to be done is the cabinets, though. The rest is fine. But yeah, so until the next one, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Okay, so this is future us. Like, this is way later. We figured out that that mark is the shadow just from having that light on.
Yeah, we thought this was dirty.
Yeah, we're so dumb.
There's a mark right here.
So yeah, all is good.